Let's learn הלכות תשובה, shir number 14. וצריך, says the Rambam, in פרק בייס הלכה ג' from הלכות תשובה, וצריך לפרוט את החטא. He needs to say the chet, that means with details of the chet, what was, shene'emar, because we see when Moshe Rabbeinu is asking for teshuvah, for forgiveness for Am Yisrael, the way he says it is honor. Please, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is asking, Chata ha'am hazeh, this people, Am Yisrael, did a aveiro chata'a gdoila, they did a chata'a gdoila, big aveiro, vaya'asu lahem Elohei zav, and they made out of gold, getchke, the chet ha'egel, what Am Yisrael did, this chet. So the way that Moshe Rabbeinu says, he could say, Ana chata ha'am hazeh is enough, but he says no. He says, vaya'asu lahem Elohei zav. He says exactly the details from the aveiro what they did. And the Rambam says that's always also when we come and we do teshuvah. Okay, that says already the poskim being down there by Yosef and Erachaim, Tov Reish Zayin, being down in the name of the Kolboy, that the Shliach Tzibur and Shul, when he's davening a chazan, he doesn't say all the details of the aveiros, only like we know the minhag that we do, Oshamnu, Bogadnu, Gozalnu, with the seder of Aleph Beis, right? According to the other base, but we don't say all the details of the aveiros. There is people, like you know, that by the quiet Shemona Esrei, the quiet davening, so they say, they take the nusach of Chayei Adam, and other nusachos that go around, and over there you have a lot of details of aveiros. But that's also not according to all shittas, because the Meiri brings down in Chibur Teshuvah, Naimer Aleph Perik Yud, it brings down from the Geonim, that if someone is doing Teshuvah Klalis, that means Teshuvah in all, everything together, so he doesn't need to say all these details, Tzarich lifroit es hachet. What says over in the Rambam that Tzarich lifroit es hachet is only if someone is doing now Teshuvah and one thing that he did, that happens to do, if it's a shoivavim, or sometimes in the middle of the year that someone knows that he did a aveiro, and now he's doing Teshuvah and the aveiro, then there was the mitzvah from Tzarich lifroit es hachet, to say the word, say, yeah, I did that and that actions and with this details and to say everything. What's the reason that it was tzarich lifroit es hachet? So it says in Yerushalmi, it's a Yerushalmi and a Dorim, Perikei Halochet Daled, that the reason is that he should be ashamed, he should have bushe with the aveiro that he did. And when someone only says the VIDUY, basically, Hashamnu Bogadnu, so you could go over the VIDUY with only saying the words, nothing more than it, and not feeling nothing. But when you need to come and say, I did this and this action with this details and everything what was exactly, you feel much more embarrassed and much more ashamed, and that's the teshuvah I was done much more b'shleimus.